Camarines Sur. President Dr. Arnel B. Zarcedo, SUC President 3. Partido State University, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Rhea May, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Rhea May A. Francia, Corps Commander, Cadet Major Cedric P. Curva, Corps XO, Cadet Major Rosalina Gonzaga, Corps S1, Cadet Major Domar Amor, Corps S2, Cadet Major Kenvien Romero, Corps S3, Cadet Major Giselle Talagan, Corps S4, Cadet Major Jessa Boyarca, Corps S7, Major Leader Leia A. Tito, Band Leader Flight Lieutenant B. Commander, Captain Commander, Captain E.C. Masa, Captain XO, Cadet Translator James Canero, First Platoon Boys, Cadet Second Lieutenant Robert Mar Delfino, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet Second Lieutenant Joylene B. Milan, CAT Facilitator Remy Roel G. Miradora, Band Advisor John Vincent Bailon, Major Trainer Jethro Bitonio, Band Master Trainer John Vincent M. Bailon. Entry number 50, Partido State University from Goa, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 50, Partido State University. Next entry number 50.